Okay, great. So we're going to go ahead and talk about to what extent do you agree or disagree kind of a topic. This is I know this is a little bit of an unconventional topic, and most of you guys have difficulty with this. Okay, but let's break it down. Ideally, tell me, what do you understand by the question of this essay? Neha, I think you can start with the answer. To what extent do you agree or disagree? What do you understand by this question? Please explain that to me first. Neha? Neha, you there? Mrinalini, do you want to jump in? I
Yes.
think our audio is not working or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you understand by the term? To what extent do you agree or disagree?
That some people think that the government is wasting money on the arts, and
No, that is the topic. I'm asking about the question. What do you understand by this question type is what I'm trying to ask you.
okay, so we have to either write about whether we agree to the question or disagree with the question.
Bingo. Okay. So to what extent do you agree or disagree? Ideally means that you can either be in complete agreement, you can be in complete disagreement, or you can go ahead and, let's say, in certain cases, take a partial view. Like maybe you might agree to one point more and not to the other point. Now, this is simplicity itself. This is just ways to go ahead and complicate you guys. All right. I would generally recommend that, okay, there are some people who are really good at, arguing both sides of a particular topic. They can debate both sides of it, right? You guys are not quite there yet. What I would recommend is, for the time being, at least try and come up to the level of 7. Once you come up to that, you can obviously, focus on the other parts of it. So how I would want you to treat this type of an essay is treat it like an agree or disagree essay. Cool? Give me a thumbs up if you guys understand.
Yes.
Agree or disagree essay, where either you'll completely agree or you'll completely disagree. You can obviously take a partial, but I would still say take a complete agreement or complete disagreement in this case. Okay? So let's
Yes.
break it down. Kunal, since this is your first time with me, I'll just go ahead and quickly explain how I'd want you to go ahead and write this essay. Okay? Let's start with the introduction paragraph. As you can see over here, all right? You'll start with a paraphrase. You will go ahead and paraphrase the topic in your own words. Guys, if there's background noise, please mute because I'm recording the session. Okay, so you'll go ahead and paraphrase the topic. Now, this is the topic from some people till spent elsewhere, and this is the question of the essay. This is the question that you have to attempt. All right. So, how will you go ahead and paraphrase the topic? Is you will simply go ahead and talk about this in your own words. All right. Kunal, did you understand? You can unmute now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you try and give me a paraphrase for this?
Yeah, sure. Some people think. So I can rephrase it like currently most governments spend a large part of their budgets not only on other services but also on the arts. So although it is necessary to channel a proportion of government money toward this sector, but most should be likewise other should be
You're
spent on other
confusing
services
yourself.
also.
You're confusing yourself over here. If I was in your place, I would always say your writing needs to be simple. It needs to be to the point. There's no point digressing from one place to another. Okay. Keep your writing completely simple. So what you should be saying is this, that there's a current debate among people where some feel that government is wasting its finances, or you can say maybe another good word for wasting. I'm just thinking about it. Hold on.
Spending is fine.
Spending, I think misspent would be better, right?
Okay.
Or you can use the word squander. The government is squandering its money on arts, all right? And this finance or this investment can be put into better use. That's how you can paraphrase, all right? And then you can go ahead and move further. Okay? Remember, Kunal, you should keep your paraphrase as simple as possible. Don't overcomplicate it. What you should always look at is replacing words that you feel are small. So for example, the word wasting is a small word. You can replace it with a better word. People can be human beings. People can be citizens, the citizens of that nation, because it's about a government. So you can talk about the citizens of a nation. All right. Government can be governing bodies. You can go ahead and change these words and write this paraphrase in a better manner. Okay. That is paraphrasing. All right. Then you go ahead and talk about your general statement. I have marked this as tentative because a general statement is only needed if your paraphrase is really tiny. In this case, your paraphrase will be pretty long. So there's no point giving a general statement in this case. All right. Do you guys agree? Or do you guys think the paraphrase will be small?
I didn't understand about the general statement.
Okay, so what the general statement means is, let's say if the essay topic is really small, okay, let's say this topic was something like, should uniforms be made mandatory? All right, how much can you stretch that? You can't stretch it beyond a certain point, right? Can you?
Okay.
So in those cases, a background statement or a general statement is what will help you make your introduction slightly bigger. So you can add something like, in this case, you can mention that this in today's world of competition, or today's world where everyone wants to be successful, people would expect that the money is used for better things, that government should help protect its citizens, something like that. You could have added that over here. Okay?
Okay.
Cool. And then we'll talk about the thesis statement. Really important, guys. Your thesis statement out here will be something like this. This essay will discuss my complete agreement or complete disagreement on the above mentioned notion in extensive details in subsequent paragraphs. Okay? That is the law. That is the thesis statement that you guys should follow for every agreement disagreement essay and this kind of essay as well. All right. I think I've gone through this with you guys, with some of you all. For the ones who I haven't, this is how you should do it. All right. All right. So Priyank, what do you guys want to take? Complete agreement or complete disagreement? Anyone can answer. Okay, have a chat.
Disagreement.
Harpreet, the thesis statement is, this essay will discuss my complete disagreement / complete agreement on the above mentioned notion in extensive detail in subsequent paragraphs. You want to go with disagreement, Sonam? Does everyone want to go with disagreement?
Yeah, exactly.
So the essay topic says, some people think that government is wasting money on the arts and this money could be better spent elsewhere. So you disagree on this. You feel that money is not being wasted on the arts, right?
I think money should be spent on arts.
Okay, that means money is not being wasted on arts. All right, we can go with that. Since you are agreeing to this, tell me one reason why you are agreeing to it.
I believe I can tell this in my own language, right?
That's okay. Yeah.
No formal words. Okay. I believe people should be happy, citizens of the country. It's government's duty to make them happy. So they should take care of them also who are interested in arts.
Okay, what you can say that arts is generally a form of entertainment for most people.
Okay.
And in our hustle bus, in our lives where most people are running to achieve a certain goal or to be successful in their career, this is the way for them to escape.
Yeah.
So you can talk about this point. You guys can explain this point by saying that, in today's era of corporates where everybody's working really hard, everyone's trying to make the money, trying to be really successful in their lives. Art provides an outlet for most people in the form of music, in the form of movies, in the form of dance, etc. And this is what helps them to relieve their stress, make them feel better. You can obviously play with those lines in your own words. Then give me an example and then go ahead and close the idea. Okay.
Okay.
All right, great. Priyank, since we are on the topic of disagreement, tell me one more reason why you would disagree to the statement, which can be in body paragraph 2.
I think arts help us in preserving our culture.
Fantastic. Heritage? Yes, you can say that, for most countries, the arts are what preserves the country's heritage. So you can, especially in today's day and age, where modernization has, come into everybody's lives, art is what keeps you connected to your roots. because it's a way of for you to remember your heritage. So you can add an example of, like, let's say in southern states of India, there are various dance forms which are relevant to each states, which are performed even now in cultural fests and all of that, keeping them grounded to their culture. That could be like your bit over here. All right, cool. Kunal, I hope you're paying attention to the structure, because I want you to put it in this way. So whatever is your reason, you will put that in one line in each of the body paragraphs. Okay. Then you'll go ahead and explain the idea in 2 or 3 sentences, give a relevant example, and then close the idea. Right. Similarly with body 2. Now let's talk about conclusion. Harry, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, Harry, how will we conclude in this case?
To recapitulate, starting,
Mhm.
yeah, and after that, I have this not.
Yeah, to recapitulate is fine. To recapitulate is fine.
This essay showcase both point view. I strongly in favor of
No.
government is spending a lot of money for art, which is not worthful.
No. Give it in my language, how I keep telling you guys. So you can say, to recap this essay discussed, point A, and your point A was? Come on, think about it. This essay discussed. What was our first point, Harry?
That government is spending money for art.
The first point was that art is a great way for people to rejuvenate, to relax themselves. All right, that will be the first part of your conclusions. This essay discussed that arts are a great way for people to have an outlet from their busy schedules, and have a great time with their family and friends. And it also discussed that art keeps you connected with your country's heritage and your country's culture. Okay. So
Yes.
Harry, I'm sorry, Kunal, you need to put this in one complex sentence, which is why we have mentioned complex sentence.
Oh, okay. I have prepared some one body paragraph. I can share that. So, firstly, it is difficult for many arts institutions to generate profit because people are not prepared to pay high interest fees for these places as art galleries or theaters. So, without some help from the government, such places may have to close.
I'm so sorry, I didn't quite understand that. Could you explain once again?
Yeah, so it is difficult for many arts institutions to generate profit because people are not prepared to pay high entrance fees for these places. So without some help from the government, such places may have to close.
I'm so sorry. Once again, your voice kind of broke up over here. Are you talking in disagreement or agreement?
So I am saying that the money should be spent on arts. So
Yeah.
for
So
this,
you 1 second. So you said, why would you talk about the entrance fees? Please explain once again. I'm so sorry. I think I have a bad connection.
it is difficult for many art institutions to generate profit because people are not prepared to pay high entrance fees for these places like galleries or theaters. So without any help from the government, such places may have to close.
Okay, makes sense. But then
So,
you need to talk about, why do you think the government should pump more money into the arts? Okay, so this is not exactly a very strong point that you can add over here. I mean, you
okay.
obviously are allowed to add points of your own. I'm not saying that, but this would just make it like a kind of a bleak point. So you just need to like go ahead and try and write it properly. Okay. So just simply go ahead and okay, add some more points. Why don't you write this in your own way? Let me review it. Maybe right now when you're saying it, it doesn't make that much of sense. But once you give it to me in writing, it might look even
Okay.
better after that. Okay.
Okay.
So Naresh, I would recommend that you talk only in one way. You talk either you agree or you disagree. You don't need to take both. You can take both if you want, but as I said in the starting, that both is only after you've reached a certain level. As of right now, keep it simple, keep it to the point. try to achieve that 7 band first, right? Then you can move on to the other places. So if you try to give both of the sides in one essay, first and foremost, in 40 minutes, you may not be able to achieve that, right? You'll not be able to achieve both of these points in 40 minutes, and then also keeping it like, properly like grammatical and everything. So to answer your question, you will disagree. Like in our case, we disagreed and we gave 2 points for disagreement. The first point was that arts actually helps people rejuvenate, like, by giving them recreational activities. It could be in the form of movies, dance, etc. The second point for our disagreement was that arts is a great way for people to stay connected to their country's heritage. So you explain both of these points in both of these paragraphs. That's how you do it. Does that answer your question? I think it does. All right, cool. And then you need to go ahead and close it. Now, in this case, your opinion is not asked for because you've already mentioned in the start that, hey, this is my opinion, that I'm in complete disagreement. You can here give me a general statement. Just talk about the theme of your essay. All right, just something saying that, arts are really important because you're agreeing to this, that arts is important. Something like arts are important and the country should provide great importance to it. Something like that will be great. All right. Cool. Any questions before I stop the recording?
I have a query. May I ask?
Yes.
When I said that I disagree, it means
Mhm.
I am in the favor of the arts, right?
Then that's exactly what I discussed.
Okay, then why did you say, Sonam, you are agreeing?
No, I'm agreeing that you are saying that government should pump money into arts is what I said.
Okay.
Yeah, I meant it that way.
So my views will be on disagreement.
Yeah. So as per the
disagreement of
essay,
this
you are
statement.
disagreeing. As per the essay, you're
Okay.
disagreeing. But then I meant that what I was saying that, okay, you're trying to say this.
Okay.
Cool. All right, guys, I'm going to stop recording. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you.